Fasting is often treated as a monolith, but biologically, the cessation of caloric intake triggers different metabolic cascades depending on duration. We must distinguish between intermittent fasting and prolonged fasting. The physiological outcomes of these two protocols are distinct. The primary mechanism of intermittent fasting is the manipulation of insulin. By restricting the eating window to 8 hours, the body spends 16 hours in a post-absorptive state. This lowers baseline insulin levels and increases insulin sensitivity. Data shows that the 16-hour mark is sufficient to deplete hepatic glycogen, but it is often insufficient to trigger deep autophagy or significant ketosis. IF is effectively a tool for caloric control and gut rest. It allows the migrating motor complex to clean the small intestine, but it is not a deep cellular repair protocol. Prolonged fasting crosses a different biological threshold. At approximately 24 to 48 hours, the body enters deep ketosis. More importantly, Valter Longo's research highlights the effect on the immune system. Prolonged fasting significantly lowers white blood cell counts. This triggers the hematopoietic stem cells in the bone marrow to regenerate new, younger immune cells upon refeeding. This immune reset is not observed in short-term IF protocols. Autophagy is an intensity-dependent process. While IF stimulates mild autophagy, prolonged fasting maximizes it. After 48 hours, the downregulation of the mTOR pathway and the activation of AMPK forces the body to scavenge senescent cells and misfolded proteins. This is the anti-aging mechanism often cited in longevity research. The danger lies in the return to food. Prolonged fasting depletes electrolytes. If a large carbohydrate load is consumed immediately after a 72-hour fast, insulin spikes. This leaves the blood dangerously low in electrolytes, potentially causing cardiac arrhythmia, a condition known as refeeding syndrome. Intermittent fasting carries almost zero risk of this. Prolonged fasting requires clinical supervision or strict electrolyte protocols. Conclusion: IF is a lifestyle intervention for weight management and insulin sensitivity. Prolonged fasting is a therapeutic intervention for immune regeneration and cellular repair. They are different tools for different jobs.